Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 12step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your MyCSU account. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in MyCSU login. Once you press enter, you will see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link where it says Columbia Southern University, and then you'll be taken to this page. On this page, you'll have to enter your username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username. And in case if you don't remember your username, you can click on this link to recover it. Now, after that, enter your password. And again, if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover your password. And if you want to verify your recovery email, you can click on this link. Now, once everything is set, you can click on the login button and you'll be logged into your MyCSU account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.